I am Natasha and this video is from my final project. So the first test is about the cookie, that the first name cookie is present in the browser after a client register and prior to the client login. So I will create a new account now. So here I have the message. Thanks for registering, James. Now we will check the cookie information, view cookie information, and here at the last I have the value James. So now we will check when James entered in the page, James. Sure. Now we have to check if the cookie is in there. Let's see, value, no, 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 no. So we have not the name. The next step is the login username as part of a welcome message is visible in all views after login. So James is login. We will check if this message is in all the views. So here we have the home view, Canon, explosive, myth, rocket, or trap. This is still the message there. Or the details, the message is there. The next step is the login welcome message is removed from all views after logout. So we will check. Logout is not the welcome message, it's not in any view. The login welcome message is clickable to deliver to the admin view when the user is logged in. So first I want to see the next step. If, for example, here I have a view that I could add before with other user, my name user, and I cannot click edit or delete the review because I have not in any I have not login. So the message say here login to add a review. Okay, so we will enter again the example, and when enter, or I will click, for example, here and welcome James, and when I click in welcome James, I can see the admin view with the information of the people. So the next test, the newly added review is added to the reviews table for the admin database along with the product ID and the client ID. As we see before, we can check in a product. I will add here other review, new review, and we will see this is my admin view, and I have in the product small bomb this new review. So we will check that information in the details. For example, here is my login member, James example, and this review is from other user. So now we will check if I can edit the review. Is here, update the admin view. We will check in a small bomb, and now we can see the update. We can check this information here. This is the new review here. So I have the review in the review tables, and we will check if I can delete this review. You have not made any reviews, so we will check again of this user. I have not the review for the user James. The next step is productive use. Okay, the last step is to check if it's a responsive page. We will see it in the admin home or in the product details. So all is working fine. Let's see, these have many products. Okay, so the last thing that I have to check is the validate HTML and the CSS. So here I have the same error that I have all the time in CSS for these WebKits, and I have a warning and just an error, but it's all error, so I cannot I try to fix it. It's just that things. Okay, so all is working fine. The table and the database is working well, and the page also. So thanks for watching.